Look what my motherfucking man just got me. This just came in the mail. I'm so excited. I got the blue. I like the orange color, but I feel like everybody was going crazy for the orange, not knowing that they will get sick and tired after a while of the orange. I know that would be me. I would get so tired of the orange. I went with my favorite color, blue. The silver was pretty too, but I just wanted the blue. Okay, the blue is me. Bitch, let's open it. Let's do a little ASMR. I love the color. This is so beautiful. Like, it looks even better in person. Like, come on. Everybody thinks like the new design is ugly, but really in person it don't look that bad. It don't look bad at all. It's actually cute. Okay, I like it. Okay, so here's the phone. In the box it just comes with the cord and I guess the instructions. Like, bitch, it don't even have the stickers anymore. Like, Apple, come on. We're spending all this money for a phone. You can't even put the stickers in there no more. Like, here it is. So beautiful. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is my current phone. This is the iPhone 14. This is the back of the screen. It's all like cracked up, but the front of the screen is still like in perfect condition. The camera quality on this phone, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on the 17. This is the camera quality on this phone. Let me know if you guys like this one or the other one better. I like both of them personally, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. I really love this phone. I love all the features. I could literally zoom in so far away and it would be like super clear. What the heck, you could actually record front and back at the same time. This would be so fun to like vlog and do videos like this front and back. Like, what? This is the front camera on the 17. I don't know if there's any difference. Let me know if you guys see any difference. I personally like both of them, but obviously the 17 has so many better features. It's so worth it, especially if you are a content creator. Like, I was literally thinking about getting a camera, but this is all I need. Okay, so you can't hear me right here, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. I was doing a screen recording so I could show you guys this feature. So I'm basically showing you guys, if you hold your phone vertically like you're doing a TikTok video, you could actually click the button in the middle and it will turn your camera horizontally like you're doing a YouTube video. So I think that's so cool that you don't have to physically turn your phone when you're doing a YouTube video. You can literally just hold it horizontally like you're doing a TikTok and then click that button. Bitch, run to Apple now.